Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have seen that our 10 number chapter. Today, we will start our this chapter, that is our home and the environment. In previous class, we have seen the types of the houses and the material required to build. Today, we will take some more information about this. We saw the different types of the houses in the pictures. Their main sources can be listed here. Means we have seen here the different types of the houses, and what is the purpose of these houses, why these houses are used. That is for the shelter. We get the for the taking the rest, the protection against the sun, wind, and the cold rain. Means we get the protection, we can protect, and there is not fear. We know if we will live in the houses, we will not get that the sun, wind, and cold. Protection from the wild animals. Those are wild animals. Just we have seen the news about the leopard wandering in our region. So just such why we get the protection from the wild animal. Due to that, the houses keeping ourselves cells and anti-social elements. This is picture on your next page number given, that is explains the different types of the houses according to the different area, just like plateau regions, heavy rainfall region, mountain region, plain regions. According to that, there is the given the different types of the houses, and how houses types, which material required to build that, and how it's the shapes and construction, building, and the roofs that we have seen. Just like the suppose plain region. In the plain region, the types of the houses is the flat roof houses, and the shapes of the construction, it is in a rectangular shape. So and the roofs are the wood, made up of the wood or the earthen means from the soil, and the walls also made up from the earthen and the stone, just like these houses. So you have to find out which material required for that. There is a too much different types of the regions. According to that regions, houses are constructed. People builds the houses to suit the climate of their the regions, using the natural resources that are the available. Differences in the construction and building materials gives rise to different types of the houses. Means people are constructing their houses. How they are constructing? According to their climate, according to their environment, they are constructing their houses, and they are using the different types of the material to build that the houses. Water, food, clothes, shelters are our basic needs. Every human beings, it is the basic need. However, these needs are not fulfilled in the case of each and every person. Then the such many situations are arised. These are the basic needs, which water, food, clothes, shelters are our basic needs. If these needs are not fulfilled, some situation arised in front of the us. So if there is not shelter, what will be situation arise? That we will see. The around us we see the many peoples who lack the shelters, means who do not have the shelter. Such peoples, then now we occur some such peoples, they seek their shelter at the roadside, on the footpath, under the bridge, in the tumble down buildings, in railways or a bus station, and even on a open ground. Means we observe such peoples are taking their shelters under that. In our Shivaji Chowk, at the uh, left side of that Shivaji Chowk, we observe that there is also such people are living. They are taking their shelter there. Means because of the lack of the shelter, they are taking shelter. Some people living on the footpath, some people under the bridge, or some peoples we observe that at the railway station and bus stops also they are taking their shelter. Many peoples are forced to be a homeless because they haven't insufficient or no means of the livelihoods. Means they have insufficient means of livelihoods, so that livelihood, so that they are unable to build their shelter, or they are unable to construct the shelters. Such people such peoples are the homeless peoples. Now what the government did for these people, sessions of our society. Being a homeless is a social problem. That is why the government implement many schemes to the provides home to the homeless. Means government have the implemented many scheme for such peoples, to get them shelters, to provide their home, for what, those who have not a home. In some of the cities the government makes the night shelter available to the homeless, and in some city government have started the night home. Means for night, at the night time they may take the shelter there, means they may take the rest there, which provided by the government. Why the people then become the homeless, why they are becoming the homeless? Because of the lack of the affordable housing. Means there is not a affordable housing. Means they haven't that the affordable, the financial condition is less or low. For such peoples are not lack of the houses. The poverty means poor, those peoples are poor. Such peoples haven't home. And also natural disaster, due to the natural resources, if the flood are there, the houses are, some people's houses have been washed out. Then the unemployment and physical mental disorders, we also observe the many people wandering in our city, which they haven't they are the mental. Means such people physical disorders are there. Such people also the homeless. Adequate incomes and unemployment also reasons for the homeless, and so that these people are the homeless we occurs in our surrounding. This was the shelter, these are the shelters, and why the peoples occurs the homeless, that was the reasons here in this chapters explained. We have seen the different kinds of the houses in our surrounding. Many buildings are there, row houses are there, tents are there, that the bungalows are there. All are the constructed houses are there, and the material required for that, that is different. And the main, what are the sources of that material to get that material to build the houses? That we are just like the, suppose the cement's original source is the limestone. Just like the glass main source is the sand. It's the same way bricks main source is the soil. Means from which sources we get these, the water, rubber, floor tiles, then roof tiles, tin sheets, all these we get from the that the sources. What are the set sources? Some sources you have to find out. So we also see wherever that the construction is going on at that time, why the construction going on, the populations of the world is increases all the times. That's why houses are being used in a large numbers. Natural resources have to be used in a very great quantities to build these houses. Means we observe that the here are the population, too much quantity of the population increased. As the population increased, they are using the land for the constructing their houses, and they are also the building the forest, and building the forest. And while they are constructing houses, they are using the natural resources. They are obtained using the material that is listed below, and these methods are harmful to the environment and leads to the pollution of air, water and soil, and also noise pollution we observe there. Means while they are constructing the houses, at that time they are using the natural resources, and it is very harmful for our environment. And while they are constructing houses, there is also occurs the pollution. Which types of the pollution occur? Air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution also, as well as there is occur the noise pollution. When the digging up the hills from the quarries, when they are digging at the times also, the extract sands from the seashores and the rivers. They are taking the extract, means they are taking outside from the river soil for the constructing houses. Extracting stones and the sand from the ground. They are taking outside the stones and the earth from the ground, drawing out the excessive amount of the groundwater. They are taking out from the well, taking outside the groundwater, means the groundwater level also decreases due to that. Felling the trees to clear the land, means they are cutting down the trees for constructing that houses. Filling up the ponds and lakes, streams, rivers, creeks and the low lying area to be reclaimed. Because of the growing urbanization, land which was the previously being used for the agriculture and similar other purposes is now being used to the builds the road and the raise the settlements. Due to the growing urbanization, due to the population construction, they are using this land for the road, for the factories. These are lands are used for that purposes. When this leads to be a shortage of the agriculture land, the forest lands is used for the agriculture. Now when the urbanizations as increases, they are using the agricultural land for the construction. After that when these the for the agriculture the land less land occurs, at the times they are using the what forest lands. The trees are fell down, the great numbers of the forest are also reduced due to for that the agriculture. Energy is needed to the produce the construction of the material. At the construction level or at the construction side, energy also used, means what we are observing, mixtures are there, many machineries are there, they are working on the energy. This energy also required for the at the construction site. It is used on a very large scale to prepare the bricks from the soils, cement from the limestone, glass from the sand and so on. Means they are using the also the natural resources. Where do the energy comes from? It is the produced using the natural fuel like the coal, natural gas or a minerals oil. These natural fuel can be used only once, means we get the natural resources only once times, and they get the consumed when we use them. They are consumed and they are used by us for the constructing or for our purpose. Moreover, burning these fuel leads to the air pollution. And when we are burning these natural resources or fuel, at the times what there is causes the air pollution. It takes lakhs of years for these sources of energy to form in a nature, to create and to generate that the sources in our environment. It takes the how much lakhs of years they're spending to create the natural resources. That's why it is necessary to bring into the use the source of energy, such energy just like the solar energy, wind energy. Why? Because they are not a exhaustible, or they are cannot be a finished. They can be a again and again. From that we can use that the energy which are available in a plenty and which do not cause the pollution, and they due to that there is not a pollution. These are not exhaustible sources of the energy. All living things needs the shelter, like the human being. Some other animals also require the shelters. Also they build their shelter using various material in their environment. Other animals also you building their shelter, but they are using those material available in the environment. But last year we saw that there is a shelter are the eco-friendly and the temporary. We should also be able to make the permanent houses that are the eco-friendly. We should build the houses which are the eco-friendly houses. What are then that eco-friendly houses, means how are that houses are there. Eco-friendly houses mean that eco-friendly houses the minimum consumption of the natural resources. There is less use of that natural resources. Use of the non-exhaustible sources of the energy such as the biogas, wind energy and solar energy. There is the use of such energy which are non-exhaustible, which cannot be finished. Such energy used there. Recycle of the water, means reuse of that water there in that such houses. Recycle of the garbage also. We uses that garbage again and again. Such recycles of the garbage also available in that eco-friendly houses. Avoiding the artificial material and the artificial colors. To color that, we that they it that the avoided the colors to color that the houses, and previous provisions for the natural lights and the ventilations occur there. Such types of the houses there. Do you know these the houses are built under the oceans, the for the tourisms to occur, that the nature the what wealth of the what oceans wealth for the observing that oceans wealth, the houses are built under the ocean. Such occur in Europe and North America.